This is the final video to solve CSS broken on web pages in Opera GX. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve CSS broken on web pages in Opera GX, and I'm going to share them with you. First, we tackle the browser's rendering engine. Opera GX, like other browsers, uses a rendering engine to interpret and display web page code including CSS. When CSS appears broken, it often means the engine is misinterpreting or failing to apply the styling rules correctly. Method 1 addresses this by forcing a refresh of the browser's internal style cache. This cache stores CS rules to speed up page loading, but corrupted entries can cause visual errors. Clearing it ensures the browser re-downloads and reinterprets fresh CSS data, resolving the discrepancy. Method 2 focuses on hardware acceleration settings. Hardware acceleration offloads rendering tasks to the GPU for faster performance. However, driver incompatibilities or bugs within the GPU can lead to rendering artifacts, including broken CSS. Disabling this feature forces the browser to use the CPU for rendering, which, while slower, often circumvents these GPU-related visual glitches by using a more universally compatible rendering pathway. Method 3 involves checking for conflicting extensions. Browser extensions can inject their own code or modify how web pages are displayed. A poorly coded or incompatible extension might interfere with Opera GX CSS processing, leading to display issues. Disabling extensions one by one helps isolate the culprit, allowing you to remove or reconfigure the problematic add-on and restore proper CSS application. Method 4 looks at Opera GX specific GX Cleaner. This tool is designed to optimize the browser's performance by clearing temporary files, cookies, and other data. Accumulated junk files can sometimes interfere with browser processes, including CSS rendering. Running the GX Cleaner resets these temporary data stores, potentially removing corrupt files that were causing the CSS to break.